Hi, Eileen. You made it. Well, you made it this long. Hang in there, girl. Jeez, that is a big culvert. So this is the old culvert. It's been washed out. See how the tip of that is in the water. This is hanging out of the water. Beautiful little stream. Going to replace it with a much bigger in diameter culvert. 6 o'clock on a Sunday morning. Time to get to work, boys. Well, let's do a test fit here and see how it fits. Yeah, I think that's gonna work. Put a couple little logs on there to weight it down, hold it in place hopefully. Gotta try to keep it from moving. Trying to do this one-handed, so see, it's trying to float on me already. Trying to get the weight right on top of it. Yeah, that kind of worked. I haven't recorded in a while, but that's what it's looking like now. I'm wondering about straightening out this corner instead of having this corner at the bottom of that hill. If I can make something up through there. Let's try it. So I'm not good at recording, but I took out that dead birch and I'm trying to level it out a little now, straighten out that corner, hug that inside. Yeah. I borrowed a little dirt from here. Oh, we're up top of the hill now. Did you? Down to the culvert. Culvert's down there. So I put a little material on this little stretch too, because it was getting kind of rough. So we come up and we crest the hill. And that's what it looks like. So I'm going to drag this culvert back to the cabin. I think I'm going to reuse it somewhere else. I might just leave them chunks of wood there to hold the soil from going in the creek. Leave that one there too. Of course, the camera doesn't do it justice, but this is a lot bigger hill than it looks. But that is a lot straighter than it used to be. Look at that. Somebody just left their gold necklace laying out in the woods. I'm going to use this to drag that culvert back. Good job, ASB. Okay, so I pushed that end of the culvert around that way to spin it around. So I could hook the chain through this hole. That looks like a grader caught this culvert many years ago. Hook through the tow chain. This is going to be a skidder. You see it back there? Yeah, we're dragging it. Good morning. Good Sunday morning to you guys. So there's a hydraulic oil leak. That fitting looked like it was wet. I took it apart. Sure enough, rotten O-ring fitting. Luckily, Matthew's here with the service pickup. I need to clip my fingernail. No. New O-ring. Alright, that should be good. I just talked to Dad. He saw the hill, the new reroute, because it used to go over there, right, on the other side of that. He's like, did you change the trail? Yeah, I changed the trail. Skidder chains. I'm winching. Uh-oh. We're sliding. Alright, we got the brake held. There's two chains on there. I'm trying to just take the top one off, but I don't know which is the top and which one's the bottom. Because one's rust colored and the other one is, yeah, rust colored. Well, this is there you go. They all both fell off. That isn't what's supposed to happen. Okay, now that you kind of got the chain spread out, now what are you going to do? That doesn't even show it. Matthew came over here and fixed this hill. Boy, he did a nice job. Put in extra strikeouts or extra good ones. Nice job. So I've got a couple of exhaust tips off a truck kind of laying around. What should I do with these? So I shined one up, give you a before and after.
David, what in the world are you doing?
Oh, never mind. Should never let me get bored. Oh no!
Oh, don't you do it.
There you go. That is one mean side by side. You can't say you don't like that. Oh, you hear that? The dogs just love it. That's a good look. Well, she's officially got dual stacks now. That's funny stuff, isn't it? I'm Nuts 319. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.
Thanks for watching. Have a great day.
Ready?
Yeah.
Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Woo!